to another episode of Phoenix Rising, aka Cooking with Phoenix. In today's video, we're doing things a little bit differently. It's kind of an easy recipe. We're going to take our shrimp. Got some shrimp here. We got some broccoli. We're going to make a broccoli and shrimp stir fry with a side of bacon Caesar salad. Pre-made. Got some mushrooms. So that being said, this is a keto meal. So sit back and enjoy some football, watching some Phoenix Rising. Let's get to it. Cue the intro. First things first. Get a cast iron skillet. If you ain't got one, I highly recommend it. Things are a lifesaver. You want to preheat your cast iron skillet. Either take avocado oil or olive oil. Once it preheats, you're going to put it in the pan. So then you're going to take your shrimp, peeled and deveined, tail off shrimp. Easy cooking. You got organic mushrooms. Make sure they're organic if you can. You got your broccoli. And then you got your grass-fed Kerrygold butter. Butter is the butter that I recommend. It's made from grass-fed cows. That's imported from Ireland. Avocado oil. Use it liberally. You can't go wrong. For added texture, splash a little bit of olive oil in there as well. First things first, you open your shrimp. Start cooking those. So we're going to go ahead and cut it up, make it a little bit better to eat, a little bit easier to cook. Salad for our meal. So you want to cook this really down. So easy peasy. You can do this one of two ways. You can either buy a bag salad like I did, or my go-to, or you can make your own salad. It's you guys. You're gonna dump all the lettuce in the bowl. Get your little packet. You got a bunch of this. Boom, ranch, Parmesan, bacon. Why are we doing this salad? Because you look at the macros on it, it's pretty low carb and high in fat. So, pretty much keto. Depending on if this is your keto diet way or not, it's up to you guys. Parmesan going in. Boom. Now, we're not going to use, there's these garlic croutons and we got ranch. So, ranch, it's okay keto, it's not really keto, but you can get away with it. Me personally, haven't had very many carbs today, so we're just gonna roll with it. And then, got your breadcrumbs. Now you could add stuff to it like pecans, up the fat. You get your salad going. So now that we got this all ready, we got our stuffed stir fry done. So we're gonna start plating that up. We got a good scoop there. Put a little bit more. You got your sesame oil. Put a little bit of sesame oil on. You got your soy sauce. A little bit of soy sauce. Star of the shell. Got sesame seeds. Love me some sesame seeds. And then you get your turmeric. Why not? I love me some turmeric. A little bit of turmeric on there. Adds good flavor. And then you get your salad. Go to the salad. Trying to get the vegetables in. And voila, guys. There you go. Keto meal. Broccoli shrimp stir fry. We're going to go ahead and we're going to dig into this now. So, with that being said, this has been another episode of Cooking with Phoenix. I appreciate you guys tuning in for another episode. With that being said, fly like the Phoenix, folks. Peace.